Do you need money to start trading your Forex account in 2026, but you still haven't gotten it? Well, right here on my screen is a free $30 no deposit bonus that you can start to use to trade your Forex account in 2026. You don't have to deposit any amount. All you have to do is to register and watch this video to the very end, and I will guide you through all you have to do in order for you to be able to get this free $30 no deposit bonus. Note this, you do not have to deposit before you can be able to get your free $30 no deposit bonus account. All you have to do is to watch this video carefully. And if you don't watch this video carefully and you go ahead and try it on your own understanding, you will forfeit your chance of getting this $30 no deposit bonus. And what I mean is that once you've applied for it, you can only apply for it once. So immediately you apply for it without watching this video, you lose your account and you won't be able to come back and claim it after watching the video. So now, the link to get this free $30 no deposit bonus will be pinned in the description of this video, and will also be pinned in the comment section. So the first thing you want to do is for you to go to the description of this video or the comment section, click on the link, and you'll be taken to my Telegram channel. And in my Telegram channel, you will see the link that will lead you to this interface. But before I start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, take a moment right now and subscribe. If you don't do that, I'm afraid this might be the first and the last time you are definitely going to see us. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification button, like this video, and share it with your friends. Alright? Because what we usually do is that we give people free money for them to start trading their Forex account 2026. And you can go and check my previous videos. These are the things that we've been dropping lately and back to back. And also, before I continue, yesterday I dropped a money making update for my guys in my Telegram channel. So if you know that you are interested in making money online, even if it is not Forex trading, making money online without depositing any amount, all you have to do is to join my Telegram channel by using the link below the video. So now that you've gotten to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to scroll down, okay? And the terms and conditions you have to understand in order for you to be able to withdraw your profits from this free $30 no deposit bonus will be explained briefly. So join me as we start this journey together. So now, this is it. Welcome bonus $30 USDT. Register and receive initial funding. So you'll be receiving a free $30, like I said, without you having to deposit. So this is it. It is available for new clients, and as you can see, you can be able to withdraw your profit. This is it right here. You can be able to withdraw your profit. So in order for you to get this account, let me show you the things you have to do in order for you to be able to get them. All right. So in order for you to get this account, just scroll down. As you can see, open an account and receive $30. So in order for you to receive it, just click on open an account and receive $30. So this is it right here. Zero deposit. You don't have to deposit any amount, and you can be able to withdraw. So for better use and for better use, you can just download. You can click on download over here and download this app on your Google Play Store or on your Apple Store. So you can just click on download, and once you click on download, it will be of better use for you. So as you can see right here, it is zero deposit. You don't have to deposit any amount, and still you can be able to withdraw. So once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your email, your first name, your last name, and your mobile phone. So make sure that the mobile phone you are entering, you can be able to get your code with it. All right. So in this partner code, it is optional, which means you don't really have to put anything there, but mine will be there. Okay. So once you're done, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on register. And right here by the right side of the screen below. So this is a message icon. This is where you can reach out to their customer care in case you need anything, right? So you can just reach out to their customer care right now. So not to waste your time, let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So once you are done with the first step, as you can see, a verification code has been sent to your email. So the next thing for you to do is for you to go to your email to get a code and come back here to put the code here. So once you're done, click on confirm. And I want you to know that this particular broker that will be getting our free $30 from has been long in existence, okay? Has been long in existence. So now let's go to our email account. Let's head on to our email account. So this is my email account right here. This is my email account right here. So just let's come to the email account. As you can see, we haven't received any message yet. Well, let's scroll down. So if you are someone like me and you haven't received your message yet, you can just let's check our spam. Let's check our spam. As you can see, this is it right here. Now that we've checked our spam, this is it right here. Okay, the message is now in our spam account. This is it right here. Okay, so to confirm your email, enter the code specified below. So this is the code you have to copy to verify your email. So come back here and paste the code. So once you've pasted the code, it will load. Okay, wait for it to load and let's look for the next thing. This is it. Would you like to receive notification? You can choose yes, you can choose no. So this is the account right here. This is the account right here. So the next thing for you to do in order for you to be able to get your free $30 no deposit bonus account is for you to verify your account. Alright. So click on profile. So under this profile, you will have to come to this verification site. As you can see, verification ID address KYC. So this consists of, you can either use your NIN, your driver license, your BVN and more in order for you to be able to verify your KYC. You can also use your bank cards. So once you're done using your bank cards and all of it, so you can just come to this place. You will see something like this, where they are showing 0 USD. So you will see something like $30 USD. You see something like 30 USD over here. So you have to click on it. So once you click on it, you'll see your login details, and also your login details will be sent to your email. And if you can't find something like this, all you have to do is to come here and open a new account. So just click on account, click on real account. After you are done verifying your account, so just click on real account, and once you get to this interface, you will see the type of account they will bring us for you. Is the account that they might write something like no deposit bonus. So just create the account and it will be, your login details will be sent to your email, and after that you can start trading happily. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If there's anything you have to know or anything you wish to know, let me know in the comment section. I love you. Bye.